Assalamualaikum everyone, presenting to you the professors of the program Peace and Development in our institution, Cotabato State University Graduate School. So the program head of Peace and Development is Brother Jose Arnold Alferez, OCDS. Then the Director of International Relations, Dr. Nuruddin Salam. The Director of External Relations in the Cotabato State University, Dr. Dato Bla Ulama. The Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences in our institution, Dr. Joyria Linga. The Director of Cotabato State University Quality Assurance, we have Dr. Mubarak Dimasindil. The former Dean of the Cotabato State University Graduate School, Dr. Estrella Cantal-Lopez, our visiting professor. Then we have another visiting professor, a member of the Parliament, the Minister of Parliament in the Bangsamoro region, Muslim Mindanao. We have Dr. Susana S. Anayatin. Then the former Commissioner of the National Commission on Culture and Arts, we have Dr. Abubakar Datumanong. Then the former spokesperson of the Armed Forces of the Philippines 6ID, General or Dr. Prudencio Asto. Then we have also the former professor from the Graduate School, Notre Dame University, Dr. Parido Pigaulan. Then another visiting professor from Notre Dame University is also a former campus minister, Dr. Alano Cadil. Then the BARM employee, we have Dr. Jane Abdul. Then last but not the least, coming from our university, Dr. Faik Abdul Rahman. Thank you very much. God bless everyone. Dalaygon ang Diyos.